The truth of the matter ni ringa omosike governor we county ya Kisii kera tu amochorete mune governor ntoka musikaga kiruchikura chikoro kwe protest vote mu governor tayo nyagwa kirukura chiri yakire tu but now abagusiba bwate a very serious hope nga omosike governor Elvis Kera Ruro then tuchitonyora omuntu nere obwate a proper agenda muna bayengo kwana omugusia nyale ko baga kwegokeri but yekirenga kitogote muna ye governor ngotagete ko endo chikuya magendero ko gendete go propel a different candidate go chagusiga iga na magendera yo kuyi chibeseri nga ekwa receive kurwa sex checker chibesi chiguche county ga mwana mito tonyori kwite boshia tumanya kanyora chi grant chigucha chibesi chikera chigucha ga we expect to see development chi development kitumenta kanyora from the 15 billion to kanyora go komenta chi grant inchiro chibesi inchiro chigucha. You understand? So we expect governor that thing anama gendera uchukui is supposed to show azinga kirikiaje airu nkiage koreire akuwa na mangana ECD akuwa na mangana agriculture muna bone ngate to be very honest nkora abantu ngori kabari ga linga ki supplementary budget ngante tagete ko twara ngante ko artificial insemination indi kwa right chombe chitu chiko abantu bakoendalia bakone ndi artificial insemination wa improve nga tunyole chombe chibiri chire chindo yes wetani chira that is money which is being chiko meno